kaonti jo bur ma Nandi nyocho kore makauti mar yudo puonje magkwe kinde magitiyo gi mbui. Ero makamano yangore ni thoth jo ohala go tiyo gi mbui e yoregi mag timo ohala machalo kaka WhatsApp, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram kod X kama giduto nyalo miyo giyud monj ma itimo e yor mbui. Jobag romo no olero ni lokruok masani kelo gitiyo gi mbui anyato kalo kuom siye mag ong'we yamo biro gi midhiero mag monj e yor mbui kendo en gima kare loso thuolo mag tiego jo ohala go e yor tiyo gi mbui.
We are targeting SMEs. We realize that there is an upsurge in e-commerce in the country, and that is why we targeted through the Skive program to target SMEs and notify them and sensitize them about cybersecurity so that they be careful about cyber attack. The number that we've trained today is basically important because they are the same people who have platforms elsewhere and can share the same information with the rest of the public and the rest of their circles.
Exposure of this private information or this private life has led to some of the youths and others are in marriages. This has led to some of them being affected mentally. Their mental well-being has been affected because their marriages has been ruined due to some of the things that have been exposed on the online platforms. And through this training today, I've come to learn that I'm not supposed to be tapping on certain links. I'm supposed to be careful with my engagement with the online platform.
With the advancement of technology and the wide use of electronics, everyone nowadays is accessing the internet. But with that comes challenges of security. Children, people in our families, people in businesses could be at a threat of their data being accessed by an unauthorized person, which could cause financial harm. Your data could, you could lose your data, you could lose your money.
En thuolo machielo nyakora mga jomo ko yuyo kata kamano kapok wadhi e yuyo aneno ka Benta Charles wacho ni piny owacho nitiere kod pesa mar